Welcome to 733 Pebblebranch Lane. This charming 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a covered front porch, 1-car garage, as well as vaulted ceilings, laminate hardwood flooring, and granite countertops inside is located in the Hawkins Creek subdivision in Blythewood, convenient to I-77, Killian Road, Northeast Columbia amenities, as well as a quick commute to Fort Jackson and Columbia. So we're out front. You can see you have a 2-car wide driveway off the street here with a 1-car garage. Some nice stacked stone accenting around the garage door, and you can see some sort of vertical shingling or vertical siding on the front. Nice covered front porch as you come in here as well. We're gonna take a look inside. Right off the entry here, you have a small coat closet. You also notice the laminate hardwood flooring that starts in the foyer that continues throughout the main level. And then you have a nice size laundry room with a big window, full-size washer dryer connection side by side, and some shelving above right off the entry. You have nice ceiling height in the home as well, downstairs with the vaulted ceilings in the main living area. So as you go forward here, you enter into sort of the main plan living area with the kitchen. Here to your right, you have white shaker style cabinets in here, or excuse me, white cabinets in here, as well as the granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. You have a side-by-side refrigerator, above range microwave with the smooth top electric range and dishwasher. You also have a nice corner walk-in pantry here as well, and also some subway tile backsplash in the kitchen as well. There's pendant lighting looking out towards the living area, and then you also do have the bar counter here as well, sort of facing out towards the dining area. So you can see a view back towards there. While we're in this area, we'll go ahead and show you the access to the 1-car garage, which is a nice size. You have a water shut off and also access and control for the tankless water heater temperature in there as well. You have a smaller medium-sized SUV parked inside for scale, just to give you an idea of the parking space inside. And then you have a half bathroom here off the sort of entry right beside the kitchen there as well, with a pedestal sink and commode. And then again, the dining area open out to the living room with nice vaulted ceilings in here and a ceiling fan. You have a door on the right side, and sort of a matching faux door window on the left, letting in some natural light. You have a patio out back, looking out over the backyard. You do have sort of a slope back there with some grasses, and that backs out to, looks like the community playground back there as well. And then back inside, the primary bedroom is downstairs, nice sized room, and looks out over the backyard. And then of course a private bathroom attached, and you have double sinks in here, nice big mirror and lighting. On the opposite side, you have a garden tub, as well as the separate walk-in shower, corner bench seat in there, and then also a really nice size walk-in closet, as you can see, shelving space on 3 walls in there. So it's quite a lot of storage. Coming back through the bathroom, so right ahead of us as we exit will be the stairs to the top, to the second level. You can see nice decorative wrought iron spindles on the stairs and real hardwood on the treads as we go up. And you have 3 bedrooms up here that share a full bath. So we'll just start sort of on this side. Actually, yeah, we'll start here and just sort of work our way around. You have an access in this one. This one and the one right next door are front facing. And you can see a bit of natural light coming in at this time of day. I believe in 2 of these you have a walk-in closet. So a pretty nice size one in here, as you can see. And then I believe there's one in one of the other bedrooms as well. You do have a linen closet here, right next door. Between this bedroom and the hall bath, you have double sinks in there, as well as a separate room from the sink where you have your tub and shower. Gives a little bit more flexibility with the 3 bedrooms up here for multiple people to sort of use the bathroom space at the same time, but you can see similar to the primary suite. Then you have second bedroom up here, also front facing, a nice size, pretty much mirrors the other one to the left of it, and very similar closet as you can see as well. And then last but not least, we have a fourth and final bedroom on this side, and see still a nice size closet there, and I believe you do have some access to maybe some possible attic storage in that small door, but do not quote me on that. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 733 Pebblebranch Lane in Blythewood, Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.